Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the separation pad on HP LaserJet M1212 MFP model. This separation pad fits to another HP devices. You will see them in the description below. To replace the separation pad on this device, turn it on the bottom side and you will see this blue panel. This is the separation pad panel. To remove it, unscrew these two screws. And the second one. It's very easy, as you see. Now I will show you. I have bought a new one. Now I will put it in a reverse order. First put from the left side in the holes here, then push, and then screw back the two screws. The first one and the second one. And that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.